have selected 10 women from every tea garden, women who can actually play a major role in changing the society in their own gardens.
First of all, I would like to thank Father Tommy Augustine and the team for calling me here to conduct today's session. I request all the parents, before parenting them, know yourself and also know your children. Give enough time, not just a time but a quality time. Have conversation with them, have a talk with them, be friendly with them and understand them. It is very easy to grow, to bring them up in love and protection.
यो सेसनहरुद्वारा यो प्रोग्रामद्वारा हामी हाम्रो आमाहरूलाई सशक्तिकरणको मा हामीले उहाँलाई सहायता गरेको हौं कि यो घरेलु हिंसा चाहिँ उनीहरूले जान्नुपर्छ अनि यदि जान्यो भने चाहिँ उनीहरूले आज सिकेकोबाट चाहिँ उनीहरूले जानेको छ, धेरै कुरा जान्न सिकेको छ। विशेष गरी कानुनहरू है, घरेलु हिंसाको कानुनमा उनीहरूले धेरै सहायता पाउन सक्छ। साथसाथै लिगल एड है, जो निशुल्क कानुन हामीलाई दिनुभएको छ सरकारले, त्यहाँबाट पनि उहाँहरूले धेरै सहायता पाउन सक्छ भनेर हामीले यो फादरले है यो सोनादामा कलेजमा आजको दिनमा हामीलाई सेसन दिनु लगायो। फ्यामिली भन्नु साथै हामी नानीहरू हैन, नानीहरू हुन्छौँ, बच्चा जन्माउँछौँ, त्यो नानीलाई हामी अगाडि बढाउनु पर्यो। उसले पनि समाजमा के त गर्नु पर्यो, जसरी हामीले गर्नु, त्यो नानीको पनि एउटा अधिकार छ समाजमा एक असल व्यक्ति भएर जिउने, उसको पनि अधिकार छ।
गाउँघरमा कुनै पनि यस्तो घटनाहरू घटेमा उनीहरूले उहाँलाई बताउन सकोस् र के छ प्रोसेस है, यहाँ यो यस्तो घटनाहरू घटेपछि कहाँ जानुपर्ने, थानामा जानुपर्ने हो कि के गर्नुपर्ने उनीहरूले बताइदियोस्। साथै अझै अरू नानीहरूलाई पनि कुनै अब यस्तो घटनाहरू भएर फ्यामिलीलाई अरू फ्यामिलीहरू पनि यस उयसमा यस प्रब्लममा नपरोस् भन्ने हेतुले आज यो प्रोग्राम गरेको थियो।
सुसाइड किन गर्छ, सुसाइडको कारण के हो, म त्यो पनि तपाईहरुलाई अलिकति बताइदिन्छु। त्यो नानीको प्रब्लम्स, च्यालेन्जेसहरु के गर्दैछ।
यो पाँचैवटा हामीले उयोबाट चाहिँ कार्यशालाबाट चाहिँ मैले के हासिल गर्न सके भने हामी भनेर हामीले आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई मात्रै नभएर हाम्रो गाउँ छिमेकी, आफ्नो इष्टमित्र सबै आज यो हाम्रो सानो युवा नानी भाइ बहिनीहरू जति पनि नराम्रो बाटोतिर लागिरहेका छन् हैन, ती नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ आफ्नोलाई मात्रै नभएर सबै नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ राम्रो शिक्षा दिन सकू हैन।
मलाई यस्तो लाग्छ, अब हामीले जति पनि सिक्यो, मेरो नानी मात्र राम्रो होस्, मेरो परिवार मात्र राम्रो होस् भनेर हामी यो सोच्नु चाहिँ हुँदैन रहेछ। सबै गाउँको समाज, गाउँको मान्छेहरू पनि मेरै परिवार हो र मैले गाउँको समाज, गाउँको मान्छेहरूलाई पनि के अरे अब राम्रै शिक्षा दिनुपर्छ भनेर सोचेको छु है। र हामीले सबै सल्लाह पनि भइसकेको छ। टिकानका मेरो सरहरूलाई पनि मैले भनेको छु, सर हामी मात्र सीमित नराखेर सबैजना गाउँको र अथवा समाजको सबलाई, टिकानको सबलाई भेला गरेर चाहिँ हामी यो सबै प्रोग्राम गरेर चाहिँ सबलाई सिकाउने हामीले भएको छु।
यहाँ अहिले जुन सुनादा सोल्युसन कलेजमा हामीलाई जुन नारी सशक्तिकरणको समगोष्ठी गराउँदैछ है, जसमा हामीले 5 दिनको गोष्ठी यहाँ गर्दैछौँ। त्यसमा हामीले एउटा नारी सशक्तिकरणको बारेमा, साथै स्वास्थ्य र स्वच्छताको बारेमा, साथसाथै नशालु पदार्थ भन्ने बारेमा थुप्रै विषयमा यहाँ जुन हामीलाई जानकारी गराउनु भयो यसले हामीलाई धेरै नै ज्ञान प्राप्त भएको छ।
We are very happy that we were able to organize this 5 workshop with Tea Promoters India Private Limited, and as a department from the BSW department is able to do that and coordinate along with Father Tommy Augustine, and also our vice principal and our principal has given us this opportunity. And it is very much relevant to the topics that we teach in college, and so what basically we are doing here is that we are able to bring out theory into practice. We started this workshop thinking that we are helping the tea community people, and then we will teach them a lot, but I think I have learned more from them rather. They have got lots more experience, and then they have the experiences that they have in their home and the setting that they are in. I think that itself is giving me lots of exposure instead. So that is one of the striking features which I had not expected, but unexpectedly it's come out beautiful.
I'm glad that Salesian College Sonada has been able to organize these 5 workshops for the empowerment of women in tea communities. Actually, Salesian College Sonada has had an association with tea estates and tea communities for over 70 years now. And so I consider that these 5 workshops in a sense has been furthering this initiative of Salesian College to reach out to people in the tea communities. I'm glad that we have been able to find a very good partner in Tea Promoters India, and I'm very grateful to Mr. J.P. Gurung and the managers of Singal, Selimbong and Siok, who have come forward to join hands with us to empower women in these tea communities. Let me also express my sincere appreciation to the Department of BSW, headed by Ms. Sumina Chetri, and the students of the department, and the resource persons who assisted us in organizing these wonderful empowerment sessions, particularly Sister Anjana Rai from Auxilium Convent, Merrick, Sister Claret Lepcha, Sister Elisha Gurung, and Sister Monica Lepcha from Bal Suraksha Abhiyan, Kalimpong. Thanks to all the participants who so very well cooperated with us and participated and were fully engaged in these 5 sessions. And the evaluation has been very positive, and they have learned a lot, and that makes us very happy and proud.
I'm happy to come here to present my experiences, my ideas, and to share with the groups coming from the different tea garden areas. When I was sharing, I was very happy because the group is very active and very receptive. They are eager to learn. And they are also already in the group, so it was very easy for me to make them understand what is SCG and what are the rules of SCG groups and how can they be empowered through the skill and being in the SSG group. So it was a very nice experience for me also.
Promoters, we believe that it is not only our duty to make tea, but to make good human beings in our tea gardens. And to start this process, we have initiated a project with Salesian College for empowerment of women. We have had 5 sessions and it has been very, very fruitful. And we feel that this is only the beginning of many better things to come.